What's up, guys? Out here on a late night call out here in Brentwood. Started extracting. This is 3 levels of damage here, so started extracting. Come back next week, go ahead and start doing mitigation. Main concern right now is getting the heat and electric back on, but again, we're over here extracting water just like that. Walk in the home. And as you can see, everything is just demolished or going to be demolished. Everything's falling down. The bathroom come down. It's the garage. Started over here. Extracting water. In the basement. This way up here. This is all going to be coming down as well. Same thing in the kitchen. Water damage in there. Upstairs. This is where it originated. Up here, this is all getting cut at 2 feet. Over here. Removed. So make sure you keep your heat on at night, guys. Make sure you check your oil. Make sure you got plenty of oil. Don't put your house at less than 55 degrees. All right? Take care, guys. Thank you.